Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Raagi Dosa. This is my mommy's recipe and she is making it. It's a pretty easy recipe and do try it at home and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. So for that you need dosa flour and Raagi flour mixed in curd. Equal quantities of Raagi flour and curd mixed in and soak it for 2 hours before mixing it into the regular dosa flour. So as you see, my mom already soaked it and kept, so she is mixing it now into the regular dosa flour. So after mixing, we'll make dosas. We can make regular only plain ragi flour dosas too, but these dosas turn out to are really crispy and tasty. So try this one too. So heat up a pan and make a dosa this way as my mom is showing. Put ladles and then circle the ladle so that your dosa forms. After that put some finely chopped onions and green chilies, and then add in some cumin seeds also. Roast it with ghee or oil as you like. My mom is roasting it with ghee here. Let it roast on a medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes and it leaves the pan automatically. You don't have to scrape it out. So once the dosa is done, serve it with peanut chutney or any chutney you like. My mom is serving it with peanut chutney and ginger chutney here. So do try it at home and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. I'll share more and more tasty and yummy recipes in the future. So this is how the dosas turned out. So stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.